So, this is just a video to show an old wheelie bin that I used to turn into a water butt. So, I cut a little hole in the lid and then took the bottom off the drain pipe, put that plastic sheet in there just to stop anything dropping into it, and the water from the roof goes down into that. And then I put a little tap in the side of it. Now it's a bit messy because I had to get some of this sealant stuff, and I got some cheap one from Poundland, but it worked okay. And then just turn the tap to turn it on, and this will collect rainwater, and then we can fill up buckets outside and use it for the garden. So I just going the wrong way there. Just turn it off. That's it off. And I had this little tray underneath it to check that it wasn't dripping, because it had been dripping from just around here somewhere. So it sprayed a lot of that sealant stuff on to stop it from dripping, but there's no drips. And last night the water level was right down underneath the top, and just after rain last night and rain this morning, it's filled a good part up the bin. Not sure how many litres that would hold, but it's a good little, simple, easy little solution to have water outside if you've got a spare wheelie bin.